Did you know there is a creature that can essentially live forever? The Turritopsis dohrnii, often referred to as the immortal jellyfish, has a unique life cycle that allows it to revert back to its juvenile form after reaching maturity. When faced with adverse conditions or physical damage, this jellyfish undergoes a process called transdifferentiation. During this process, its cells transform into different types, effectively resetting its life cycle. This extraordinary ability enables it to bypass death and start anew, potentially making it biologically immortal. While it doesn't guarantee eternal life in the wild due to predation and disease, its regenerative capabilities are one of nature's most remarkable phenomena.